Welcome everyone. This is a short video to introduce City&Hackney's mental health support team, also known as the MHST. In this video, I will give a brief overview of the MHST, and then I will describe the different types of support that our team offer. The MHST is an NHS service which is part of the WAMS, or Wellbeing and Mental Health Service in schools. We are an early intervention and prevention service supporting the well-being of students, parents and staff across primary and secondary schools. The team is made up of education mental health practitioners known as EMHPS, CAMS practitioners, senior clinicians and educational psychologists. EMHPs offer evidence-based guided self-help interventions that are delivered one-to-one, in groups, or as one-off workshops. In primary schools, EMHPs offer one-to-one support to parents whose children are experiencing early signs of anxiety or behaviour that challenges. We also offer groups and workshops to parents and students. If children are having recent difficulties with managing their emotions or with fears and worries, parents, carers and teachers can pass on their concerns to the school designated mental health lead. This is the person in the school that is responsible for managing referrals to our service. In secondary schools, we offer group interventions, workshops and one-to-one work with students. The one-to-one work is aimed at offering support to students experiencing early signs of low mood and anxiety. Our evidence-based guided self-help interventions for anxiety are aimed at students who have been experiencing recent difficulties with worries and fears. Our interventions for low mood are designed for students who have had a recent change in mood, causing them to feel down and unmotivated. One-to-one interventions normally take place weekly over 6 to 8 weeks. The sessions are normally an hour long and can take place in school, online and over the phone. When we run groups, we aim to keep them small so that students or parents feel comfortable. It can give you an opportunity to learn from others and share your experience with people that may be feeling the same way. The workshops we offer are one-off sessions. We run many different workshops throughout the year. Speak to your school designated mental health lead for details of upcoming workshops, or check out the events page on the City&Hackney CAMS website for more details. I hope you enjoyed learning about the MHST. If you have any questions or would like to refer yourself or someone else to our team, please speak to your school mental health lead and they will let us know.